Thank you for choosing a Stovax Ecodesign appliance. This video will show the best method for lighting your fire or stove. Firstly, put 2 small logs in the base of the fire. You then want to add some fire lighters just in between the 2 logs. You're aiming to build up the base with smaller logs on each layer. The top layer should be small kindling. After you've put the kindling on the top, place 2 more fire lighters and sit it directly on top of the kindling. Make sure the stove's in the best setting for lighting the appliance. Push the controls to the boost setting, making sure it's fully in. This method of lighting is the most efficient way because it allows heat into the flue to pre-start the fire. Next, light the top 2 fire lighters. After adding 2 new logs, allow them to catch and then you can adjust the air control into the most efficient setting.